How to use best estate planning tools for families properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Estate planning for families is crucial, yet beginners often make mistakes that can create confusion or legal disputes. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the complexity of family needs. The first mistake is neglecting minor children. Guardianship and trusts for children should be clearly outlined. Failing to assign guardians can leave courts deciding who takes care of your children. Another common error is ignoring joint assets. Family homes, retirement accounts, and life insurance policies must be coordinated with your estate plan. Overlooking these can lead to unintended inheritance conflicts. Many families also skip beneficiary coordination. Each account or policy may require its own beneficiary designation. Conflicts between accounts and your will can create delays or disputes. A surprising mistake is not using digital tools for collaboration. Modern estate planning tools allow family members and advisors to access documents securely. Failing to use these features can hinder communication and create errors. Finally, beginners often forget to update documents regularly. Births, marriages, divorces, or deaths require prompt adjustments to trusts, wills, and beneficiaries to reflect your current wishes. To properly use the best estate planning tools for families, assign guardians for minors, coordinate assets, check beneficiary designations, leverage digital collaboration, and update documents regularly. Following these steps ensures your family is protected and your wishes are honored.